how to make transfer on Wise. On what we can do is about follow this video. About it is about to be really understood through what is going on about it, and that what we can do is about to understand how we can start to deal with that. It is still about be really satisfying for what we are going to have it on the moment or the progress. That is about be really something that should be really understood on what we are looking for and how we can start to deal with that situation. So what we can do is about be really right here to send the money through that, and then as you can see we go for choose recipients or currency and the amount of it. So that is exactly about to go here for sending money. And then as you can see to transfer money is about to send the money, for example 5 USD. About that is about to be recipient gets to go for including the USD you sent to total fees. About that to add recipients and amount of transfer you send of that, and that is all about to help you